How to start a business with $100 or less. Starting a business with a limited budget might seem daunting, but with creativity, determination, and strategic planning, it's entirely possible. Many successful entrepreneurs began their ventures with minimal capital, proving that resourcefulness and ingenuity can outweigh financial limitations. Here's how you can launch a business with $100 or less. The key to starting with minimal capital is selecting a business model that requires low upfront investment. Here are some viable options. Service-based businesses. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, social media management, tutoring, or consulting often require skills rather than products. Digital products. Ebooks, online courses, or printables can be created with little to no expense. Reselling. Start a thrift flipping business by sourcing items from second-hand stores and reselling them online. Dropshipping. Sell products online without holding inventory by partnering with suppliers. To minimize expenses, take advantage of free tools and platforms. Website builders. Platforms like Wix, WordPress.com, or Card offer free options to create a professional-looking website. Marketing tools. Use free social media platforms for promotions. Canva offers free design templates for creating logos, banners, and marketing materials. Learning resources. Websites like YouTube, Coursera, and HubSpot provide free tutorials on essential skills like marketing, SEO, and customer management. If you don't have the capital to invest in products or inventory, build a business around your skills or expertise. Examples of skill-based businesses. Freelance writing or editing. Virtual assistants for administrative tasks. Fitness coaching or nutrition planning. Monetize what you already know or are passionate about without the need for upfront inventory costs. Marketing doesn't have to be expensive. Here's how to spread the word without breaking the bank. Social media. Create profiles on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to showcase your offerings. Content marketing. Share valuable tips, tutorials, or stories related to your business on blogs or social media. Word of mouth. Let friends, family, and local communities know about your services. Begin with a narrow focus to reduce initial costs, then reinvest profits into expanding your business. Example. Start by selling a single product or service. If it gains traction, expand to offer additional products or services. Case study. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started her business with $5,000 by producing a single prototype and testing demand before scaling. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy allow you to start offering services or products without requiring a significant upfront investment. Freelancers offer writing, graphic design, or consulting services. Creators sell handmade goods or digital downloads. Leverage existing resources to reduce costs. Use shared workspaces instead of renting an office. Borrow tools and equipment instead of purchasing them outright. Barter services with other small business owners to gain what you need while saving cash. When operating on a tight budget, financial discipline is crucial. Budget wisely. Allocate your $100 to essentials such as a domain name, $10-15, marketing materials, or initial supplies. Track expenses. Use free tools like Wave or Google Sheets to manage finances. Example. Starting a digital service business. Let's say you have $100 and want to start a freelance graphic design business. Invest in essentials. Domain name and website hosting. $15. Use free design tools like Wix or WordPress.com. Canva Pro subscription for advanced design tools. $12/month. Leverage free resources. Use your existing computer and internet connection. Promote services on Instagram, LinkedIn, and freelance platforms. Bootstrap marketing. Create an online portfolio showcasing your designs. Offer discounts or free trials to attract your first clients. Pat Flynn, Smart Passive Income, started his online business with a blog and basic tools, turning it into a multi-million-dollar venture. The Minimalists began with free blogging platforms and built a brand around simple living, eventually monetizing through books, courses, and speaking engagements. Starting a business with $100 requires creativity, resourcefulness, and strategic planning. Focus on businesses that leverage your skills, require minimal investment, and allow for gradual scaling. With hard work and a clear vision, your low-budget venture can grow into a thriving enterprise. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more contents.